Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this lesson. Today I am going to discuss question and answers and MCQs of the poem Abou ben Adhem, which is written by Leigh. So here I begin, and before that let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed up till now, then please do and watch the video till end and press the like button, and I'm sure you will like it. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest notification. So children, let us start with the MCQs. First of all children, I'll tell you about the poet James Leigh. That is, his full name was James Henry Leigh. He is popularly known as Leigh, was an English poet, essayist, journalist, editor, writer, and critic who remained a prominent figure of the Romantic movement in England. He was the editor of the influential journals like The Reflector and The Indicator at a time when periodicals were culturally quite effective and on the roll. He wrote poetry in varied forms that embedded satires, epistles, narrative poems, short lyrics, odes, sonnets, and poetic dramas. His works were noted for their intense and expressive descriptions along the rhythmic and soulful qualities. He has written many poems, and the theme of most of his poems were patriotism, love, and nature and friendship. He has also translated many foreign languages, including French, Roman, Greek, and Italian. So, dear children, now I'll tell you about the poem. What has really happened in this poem? This poem, Abou ben Adhem, is a poem which is written by Leigh, is one of the 19th century English poets. The poem was published in 1838 as one of the pieces in 3 volumes entitled The Book of Gems, The Poets and Artists of Great Britain, edited by Samuel Cartel Hall, based on a story of a French book, Bibliothèque Orientale by Barthélemy de Herbelot de Molinville. The poem tells us a little story about the importance of loving one's fellow human beings. The story is based on the life of Abou ben Adhem, a Muslim Sufi mystic from Persia, who was venerated as a saint after his death. Much like the famous Roman Catholic ascetic Saint Francis of Assisi, Ibrahim ibn Adhem, or Abou ben Adhem, gave up a life of luxury in exchange for a simple life devoted to his fellow men and to God. The poem Abou ben Adhem depicts the heavenly feeling of Abou ben Adhem, a strong believer in God, who believes that not only loving God but also loving people who believe in God is great. The poem describes an event in the life of Abou ben Adhem as one night he woke up from his deep, peaceful sleep and saw a beautiful angel in the moonlight that lit his room. Writing something in a golden book, he looked at the angel with wonder. The peaceful ambience of the room encouraged him to question the angel, "What writest thou?" That is, what was he writing? The angel raised his head and with sweetness answered Adhem that it was writing the names of all those who loved God. On hearing this, Abou inquired about his name in the list. But the angel's reply was negative, which made Abou a little sad. But still, he cheerfully requested the angel to write his name in the list of people who loved God's fellow men. The angel wrote something in the book and disappeared. The next night, the angel appeared again with a great bright light that aroused Adhem from his sleep. It showed Adhem the names of the people whom God had blessed, and to a great surprise, Abou's name was at the top of the list. So children, this is the poem, and now we will be doing MCQs, that is multiple choice question. So my first question is, who is the author of the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is Leigh. Question number 2. The poem Abou ben Adhem, the poet refers in the lines deep dream of peace that Abou ben Adhem was. What does it mean? So this particular statement means in a meditative state. He was in a meditative state. Question number 3. The poet has used two symbols, angel and light, in the poem Abou ben Adhem. What does it depict? So the correct answer is spirituality. Number 4. The central idea of the poem Abou ben Adhem is, and the correct answer is importance of kindness and love. Question number 5. The poet refers to the dash that lit his room in Abou ben Adhem. So the correct answer is moonlight. Question number 6. The poet uses a figure of speech in Abou ben Adhem to compare the moonlight and the lily in room. It is, and the correct answer is simile. Question number 7. The poet compares the brightness of the room in Abou ben Adhem's as making it rich. Here rich is referred to as, and the correct answer is spiritual wealth. Question number 8. Identify the two poetic devices used together in the line deep dream of peace from the poem Abou ben Adhem, and the correct answer is alliteration and consonants. Question number 9. Identify the parenthesis used by the poet in the poem Abou ben Adhem, and the correct answer is may his tribe increase. Question number 10. What does a book of gold signify in the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is records. Question number 11. The poet shows dash in the lines exceeding peace had made ben Adhem bold, and the correct answer is innocence and fearlessness. Question number 12. Identify the synonym in the poem Abou ben Adhem which relates to relaxed, and the correct answer is exceeding peace. Question number 13. Abou ben Adhem saw in his room dash, and the correct answer is a lily in bloom. Question number 14. In the poem Abou ben Adhem, which word is used to show Abou ben Adhem's fearlessness? And the correct answer is bold. Question number 15. Abou ben Adhem is a dash, and the correct answer is saint. Question number 16. In the poem Abou ben Adhem, the poet says Abou ben Adhem saw an angel, and the correct answer is writing in a book. Question number 17. The poet in the poem Abou ben Adhem uses the term presence in the room. What does it resemble? And the correct answer is angel. Question number 18. What is the reaction of the vision when it is questioned by Abou Ben Adhem? And the correct answer is raises its head. Question number 19. What do you conclude by the poet's words, a look made of all sweet accord? And the correct answer is a graceful look. Question number 20. Abou Ben Adhem was curious to know what the vision was doing. What was his question to the vision in the words of the poet? And the correct answer is, what writest thou? Question number 21. And is mine one? Was Abou Ben Adhem's question out of? And the correct answer is curiosity. Question number 22. Abou spoke more low, but cheerily still. These words depict that Abou was, and the correct answer is disheartened. Question number 23. Abou requested the angel to write his name as, and the correct answer is one that loves his fellow men. Question number 24. Identify the antonym of disappear found in the poem Abou Ben Adhem, and the correct answer is vanished. Question number 25. In the poem Abou Ben Adhem, Abou uses many metaphors to describe the dash in the room, and the correct answer is a transformation. Question number 26. I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men, is where the poet impacts the priorities of dash, and the correct answer is God. Question number 27. Abou Ben Adhem was dash on seeing his name figure at the top, and the correct answer is astonished. Question number 28. In the poem Abou Ben Adhem, the poet uses dash style of writing, and the correct answer is archaic. Question number 29. The gesture of the poet, may his tribe increase, used towards Abou Ben Adhem, declares dash, and the correct answer is him a man memorable. Question number 30. In the second visit of the angel, the book contained dash, and the correct answer is the names whom love of God had blessed. Question number 31. In the poem Abou Ben Adhem, Leigh Hunt uses a dash as in dream and vision, and the correct answer is synonym. Question number 32. In the poem Abou Ben Adhem, the poet uses a lot of dash, and the correct answer is synonyms. Question number 33. Identify the literary device used in an angel writing in a book of gold in the poem Abou Ben Adhem, and the correct answer is imagery. Question number 34. The major theme of the poem Abou Ben Adhem is dash, and the correct answer is love for mankind and faith. Question number 35. The poet in Abou Ben Adhem encourages us to dash, and the correct answer is love fellow men. Question number 36. Identify the literary device in the names of those who love the Lord, and the correct answer is simile. Question number 37. The poet in the poem Abou Ben Adhem writes that love his fellow men. Here fellow men is referred to as dash, and the correct answer is community. The question number 38. Identify the number of times Abou Ben Adhem spoke in the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is 3. Question number 39. Abou spoke more low in the poem Abou ben Adhem. Here low meant that Abou spoke dash, and the correct answer is with humility. Question number 40. What does Abou encounter in the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is angel. Question number 41. Identify the most appealing part in Leigh's poem Abou ben Adhem, and the correct answer is message. Question number 42. What is most appealing in Abou's character in the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is innocence and simplicity. Question number 43. The reason Ben Adhem's name did not figure in the angel's book in the poem Abou ben Adhem was that he was not popular as dash, and the correct answer is those who love the Lord. Question number 44. The reason Ben Adhem's name figured in the angel's book in the poem Abou ben Adhem as dash, and the correct answer is love of God had blessed. Question number 45. Abou ben Adhem requested the angel to add his name as one dash, and the correct answer is that loves his fellow men. Question number 46. In the poem Abou ben Adhem, the poet shows an attitude of dash for Abou ben Adhem, and the correct answer is admiration. Question number 47. In the poem Abou ben Adhem, Abou does not use the pronoun you, but addresses the angel as thou and thee, giving dash, and the correct answer is due honor. Question number 48. What is the climax of the poem Abou ben Adhem? And the correct answer is the appearance of the angel. Question number 49. What does the angel's appearance the second time with a list where Abou's name topped prove? And the correct answer is God loves those who love his creation more than him. And question number 50. Children, this is the last question of MCQ in Abou ben Adhem's poem. And the question is, in the poem Abou ben Adhem, the word it, in making it rich and like a lily in bloom, represents, and the correct answer is bedroom. So dear children, with these words I end the MCQs of Abou ben Adhem here. Hope these 50 MCQs will help you to learn the lesson in a better way. And I hope this lesson will help you to come out with flying colors. Thank you.